Abonnez-vous massivement à la chaîne Lissapo English Club TV. Bonjour, Bandeko Balandi. Na sepeli mingi pour na attention particulière bozo pesa na ba cours na biso na Lissapo English Club TV. Alors, tout le monde qui mbaleleki, where are you from? Première partie. Lelo tozana where are you from? Deuxième partie. Where are you from? Ndetinga suki baptunga question. Where are you from? Norba. I'm from Congo. I'm from DRC. I am Congolese. Alors, lelo to invité mutumoko to outi Nigeria. Alors, on a reposé ma question. Il n'y a pas reposé à répondre par rapport à Nigeria. Ngai na répondre par rapport au Congo. Alors, bota la nenge to pratiquer. Monsieur Gide.
Hello, Platini.
Hello.
How are you today?
I'm okay. I'm happy to have you now on this platform, on my show.
And I'm happy to be on your show.
Okay.
Hello out there.
Yes. I have a lot of questions here to ask you about your country. Okay. Are you ready to answer?
Shoot.
Okay. Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Where are you from?
I am from Nigeria.
Oh, where in Nigeria are you from?
Okay, I am from Anambra State in the eastern part of Nigeria.
Okay. What's the capital city of Nigeria?
The capital city of Nigeria, popularly known as Abuja, is the federal capital city.
Good. Where is Nigeria located?
Nigeria is in the West African region of the continent Africa.
What's your first language?
My first language is Igbo.
Okay.
Igbo.
Good. How many states are there in your country?
In my country, there are 36 states. Plus,
Yeah.
now adding to the 36, the federal capital territory. So you could say 37, but basically 36 states and the federal capital territory.
Okay. What currency do you use in your country?
Naira. We use the Naira and the Kobo.
Okay. Well, how many tribes are there in your country?
In my country, I believe we're well over 200 tribes.
Okay. Good. Well, what is special about your country?
We're a special people.
Okay.
As you know, we are the most populous black nation
Okay.
in the world, and proudly so.
Good. Okay, it was nice talking to you, Mr. Jude.
Nice being in your show.
Okay, thank you. Then you can also ask me these questions. Then,
me?
yeah, to allow people to know also
Let's do this.
my origin. Yeah.
I see. So tell me, where are you from, Mr. Platini?
I'm from DRC, the Democratic Republic of Congo.
Where in Congo are you exactly from?
I'm from Kinshasa.
So what is the capital of Kinshasa, of Congo?
Oh, the capital of Congo,
Congo,
is...
that's where you come from. You come from Congo, right?
Yeah.
So tell me, where is the capital of Congo?
The capital of Congo is Kinshasa.
Okay. So where is Congo located at?
Congo is located in the center of Africa.
Center of Africa.
Yeah.
So what's your first language?
My first language is Lingala.
Lingala. So tell me, how many provinces or states? Do you have states or provinces?
We have provinces.
So how many are there in Congo?
We have 26 provinces.
26 provinces.
Yeah. Including the capital city. It is in the 26.
I see. So now tell me, what currency do you use in your country?
We use Congolese franc. We use the US dollars.
I see. So how many tribes are there in Congo?
Oh, well, there are more than 200 tribes.
As well.
Yeah.
That is beautiful to know. So, what is special about your country?
Yeah, about my country, people and the raw materials we have that attracts everybody.
I see. So, I guess that's it.
Okay.
Thank you very much for having me.
Yeah, thank you profusely. See you next time.
Thank you.
Okay. Goodbye. Okay. Bandeko balandi, merci wana bouti komona conversation yangai na monsieur Jude Azali Nigérian. Alors, tu vas analyser question par question. Tango tuninga tona tuniye, where are you from? Ezalaki question pona koyeba mutu outi wapi pays na yo ezanini. Ndengo yolobaki I'm from Nigeria, ngana lobi I'm from DRC. Alors atuningai una tuniye, where in Congo are you from? Donc toma tuni where in Congo are you from? Elingoloba de quelle partie ya Congo oza originaire? Outi na place nini? Ndetinga par exemple I'm from Kinshasa. Bien que papa na maman nanga bazali from Kwango, menga naza from Kinshasa pona vivara awa. Alors, atuninga lisusu una tuniye, what's the capital city of Nigeria? Yangolobi Abuja. Donc capitale ya Nigeria ezanini. Ye patuninga, what's the capital city of Congo? Ezali Kinshasa. Alors, totunani, where where is DRC located? Ngana DRC is located in the center of Africa, donc au centre de l'Afrique. Natunie, where is Nigeria located? Alobi Nigeria eza na partie ouest ya Afrique. Alors, atuninga lisusu to natunie, what's your first language? Alobi first language is Igbo. Donc première langue na eza Igbo. Yepa tuninga, what's your first language? Na edisiye Lingala. First language is out to bengaka mother tongue. Mother tongue. What's your first language? Elingo ba langue oyo mama zo melisela yo libele. Ba to bele ba confondra place wana. Bolo ba français en famille, oui. Mais première langue est-ce que c'est français? Olobara anglais. Est-ce que première langue na est anglais? Alors, natuni lisusu. How many states are there in your country? Ba état pour Nigeria baza na ba état baza état fédéral. Non, natuni combien d'états baza nango na Nigeria? Yesi baza na 36 états plus capitale na bango eza état fédéral. Et ça ils alors la 37 mais ba loara 36 états plus capitale na bango Abuja. Yeba tuninga, how many provinces are there in your country? Ngana bisiye 26 provinces. What currency? Currency is ali monnaie. What currency do you use in your country? Yena pays na bango ba utilisera naira. Biso to utilisera franc congolais en anglais ou ba congolese franc. How many tribes are there in your country? Ba tribu eza combien na pays na yo? Bango bazana plus de 200 tribus dans les 300 ou plus. Biso peut a plus de 200 tribus. Alors, natuni susu, what is special about your country? Qu'est-ce qui est spécial à propos du pays na yo? The people, biso ba Nigérian toza spécial. Yé patoni nga na bisie biso population na ba matière première na biso o ya tiraga attention ya batuni. En plus, na terminé par Webisaye, ezalaki sengo koyamba yo na chaîne na biso. Alors, on a autant de questions na malembe pour permettre na yo partout au Kenya to kutena étranger au retourner ba question wana. Première question ezali, where are you from? Where in are you from? Where in au remplacer combat pays. Where in Congo are you from? Where in Angola are you from? What's the capital city of Sur la du pays n'est Angola. What's the capital city of Angola? Répétez après. What's the capital city of? Where is located? On peut remplacer par un pays. Where is Gabon located? Gabon, ils ont se situé Wapi. Ils ont se trouvé Wapi. Where is France located? What's your first language? What's your mother tongue? How many provinces are there in your country? How many provinces are there in your country? Provinces na place ba provinces ali. Net États-Unis au retourna. How many states are there in your country? Et tozapena, what currency do you use in your country? Currency is ali money. What currency do you use in your country? Et tokena, how many tribes are there in your country? Ba tribu eza combien na pays na yo? What is special about your country? Nini eza spécial concernant pays na yo? Nde yango ezaki ba question na biso. Alors, tout ça ba vocabulaire moko avant aussi sa leçon na biso. Soki ki mamtabi native, elingo ba natif. Nakolo ba I am native Congolese. Native, elingo ba natif. Multinational, multinational, donc azana ba nationalité belé. Multinational. Foreigner, donc étranger. Foreigner, étranger. Abroad, à l'étranger. Soyez dans la France. Hello, I am abroad. Je suis à l'étranger. Ndeti, boss nabiso monsieur Ben, aux États-Unis, Teacher, I am abroad. Je suis à l'étranger. Overseas, outre-mer. Donc, côté moussous, na pays moussous. Overseas, à l'étranger toujours. Foreign country. Et là, on va pays étranger. Foreign country. Par exemple, pour Nabiso, Angola is a foreign country. Donc, Angola est un pays étranger. L'Angola est un pays étranger. Foreign language. Anglais pour nous, c'est une langue étrangère. Et la langue étrangère, foreign language. Et ça, origine, par exemple, Lukaku. Banzonzi, François. Baza originaire ya Congo, mais comme on a belge, français, etc. Alors, I am from Congo originally. I am from Congo originally. But I am French. Donc, ça, mutu ya Congo originaire, si je peux le dire. Donc, à na Congo, Aza mutu ya Congo, mais a changé de nationalité. Par exemple, le bruit court que Cristiano Ronaldo est brésilien, mais I am Brazilian originally. Mais si on les reconnaît comme portugais. Répétez après moi. Native. Multinational. Foreigner. Abroad. Overseas. Foreign country. Foreign language. I am from DRC originally. Ok, merci mingi bandeko. Ezalaki ya bino bongo prof Platini Bihata. Na cours na biso au moniteur zaki na conversation. Eza malamu mingi. Alors, bola na biso pour la prochaine numéro na biso. Fina ngonga wana ozomona na se écran. pour s'abonner. Alors, pour l'endroit vidéo et belé, aimer la chaîne vidéo Nabiso. Alors, au commun Nabiso na 081 68 01 002 pour te améliorer. Merci Nabino, au revoir.
Oui, ça, anglais, moko bazo l'accepter na ndenga lingala pour comprendre facilement. Belé bozo déplacer bozo ki na mboka ba paya oui, c'est na monoko anglais bozo na et compréhension. Na dikambo ba ko biso ya pété au comprendre anglais te ba tindi ko mulai pona ba schéma ko sama ko ba monoko. Anglais za pété ça simple langue. Ko banga ngote. Bokota na club s'appelle English TV. Bango ba lax ça rapenda na ndenge ke muto azana matière ko banda 01 o rapenda how are you Tisuka